This 2012 Keystone Passport 199 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Keystone Passport 199 megaliters is 3,540 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.